Well, I've been out here trying to get this stump burned up, and I've got some fat wood from the forest I found. I'm gonna light it up like a candle, see if we can't get this fire going again. See how that fat wood just keeps the fire going, even in the wind? Yeah, it's really good. Well, the wind put that one out, so let's try using some feather sticks from the Fatwood. Wind is really whipping today. That's gonna get it going, I think. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Okay, I think that's gonna get it going. All I need to do now is keep feeding it and work on getting rid of this stump some more here. That's kind of been a pain. This thing does not want to burn out, but you know, that's where persistence comes in. Oh, that got it going pretty good. Keep adding wood. Maybe we'll get this stump burned down eventually.